down, boy!
Authority +20.
My enemies always fall before me. I roll to intimidate.
I counter roll to seduce.
Huh?
As long as I'm down here.
Charisma +20.
He poured all his stats into charisma! He's functionally a minor god!
Blaze, look, it's snowing. Whoa, Blaze!
Fucking cold.
Blaze, you can control flames at will, right? Why don't you use that power to keep warm?
Fucking cold. My power exists to protect the soul emeralds and bring peace to the people. I refuse to use it to pamper my immature self.
Blaze! What a strong, noble, and pure-hearted person you are. Amazing, Blaze.
Fucking cold.
Hey! How come you aren't wearing your bathing suit?
How come you were one? You realize the boys came without any on either, right?
You know, this isn't too bad.
Want some? The grapes.
No thanks. I'm allergic.
You've never had grapes?
Hey, Blaze!
Oh, hey, what's up?
I've got something cool to show you. Now light your hand.
Why?
Just do it.
Hey, Silver, come here. You gave me an idea earlier.
Whoa. Do it again.